can do this. Did it? Don't turn off, don't turn off, don't turn off. Yeah. Fire. Trust me, I don't make them watery normally, but for the occasion, who cares? But it's rising though. This is for my wife. Also, she wants light syrup. I hate it. I have regular syrup, but yeah, I don't like this at all. Apparently it's rising. It's kind of weird. I don't know why. I gotta know. It's pregnant, just like my girl. Hell yeah. See how it turns out. Ooh. Nice. Dude, I do not like this. Not one bit. Now, I'm done with hers. She uses oil. She likes it with oil. I like it with butter, so. Butter. Not this butter, I like Imperial though. Add a little bit more batter to mine, a little more powder, you know, pancake powder. It's a little bit thicker. And you may be wondering, why is the stove a little dirty? There was no power yesterday, and I've been going through some stuff. Plus I went, and the day before, yesterday, I went and bought some stuff, so didn't have time to do stuff, so yeah. Oh shit. I forgot about it. Shit. Nah, screw it. It's still delicious. Who cares? I had to deal with my wife for a second, so whoopsie. I normally am not like this, I swear. I added extra butter. Maybe I could save it. Most likely not. No, let's actually try not to burn these ones. Apparently, the baby does not like light syrup.